Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. So, let's dive right in. Unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't currently offer a way to delete multiple friends at once. We know it's not the most efficient system. The only option is to remove friends one by one. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji avatar in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile screen. Tap on My Friends from the options listed on your profile screen. Here, you'll see a list of all your Snapchat friends. Find the friend you want to remove from your list. You can scroll through the list alphabetically or use the search bar at the top to find a specific name. Once you've found the friend you want to remove, tap and hold on to their name. This will make a menu pop up with several options. In the menu, select Manage Friendship and then Remove Friend. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you want to remove this friend. Double-check that it's the right person, and if so, select Remove to finalize the process. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.